Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. Today is harvest day. Well, sort of. Stick around and I'll show you what I mean. Welcome to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. Exactly 4 days before spring, I planted one store-bought potato in this container. Happens to be a dish pan. It is now the second day of summer. So it's been a little bit over 3 months, and we're going to find out what happened. This is an experiment. I knew I can grow potatoes in here. I knew they aren't going to be huge. I know they aren't going to be a lot, but I wanted to do something that was simple to prove a point, to get people engaged, to get people who don't have room, or what they feel like they don't have enough room to garden, that they can actually grow something besides just maybe, some flowers in a pot. This is a way that if you have a patio, a balcony, a set of steps, at any small area, you can use to grow potatoes. Now, granted, you're not going to get, 20 pounds of potatoes out of 1 or 2 containers, but if you have, say, 3 or 4 containers, if you take 1 potato and you get 2 or 3 potatoes out of it, then you're ahead of the game. So let's see what we have. Okay, I see a potato. I don't want to bruise these, so I think I'm going to just use my hands. The soil's a little bit moist. You've had rain for the last couple of days. Oh, okay. 1 potato. I'm happy already.
Wow!
Let's see what else we can find. Is that it? Just 1? Oh, nope. 2 potatoes. All right. So we are ahead of the game. This is looking pretty good. Here's another one. 3 potatoes. Keep in mind, this is from 1 potato that I planted about 3 months ago. And let's see, is there anything more? It's grass. Go over this way. 4. It's 4 potatoes from the 1 potato that I planted. Here's a smaller potato. It's 5. We're coming up with small ones now. 6, 7. Keep in mind, once again, this is from, oh boy. This is from 1 small potato, so this worked out better than what I expected it to. I got some small ones, I got some big ones, and I'm still pulling potatoes. Here's another one from this 1 small dish pan. Shows you what you can do with a little bit of space and a little bit of patience. Looks like we struck gold today. And I think we are about done. I am a happy camper. I'm better than a happy camper. Here's another one. I'm going to pull these out and show you what we have in total. Well, I have to admit, this turned out a lot better than I expected. I thought I'd get maybe 2, maybe 3 potatoes out of this, and that they would be small or smallish. This is great. I mean, I really didn't expect to get this many. And again, you know, it just proves my point that if you have any kind of container that will hold soil, you can grow your potatoes. So I'd like to know what you think. Post your comments below. If you have any questions, post those also. If you haven't subscribed, please do. This is the Frugal Gardener. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. You guys enjoy your day.